using ground beef, onions, tomato paste, butter, garlic, oregano, salt, flour, and Goya discs. Preheat your skillet and add your butter to melt. Once your butter melts, add your onions and your tomato paste. Finally, add your garlic. We add our lean ground beef and stir around until everything is combined. Empanadas can be made with any filling of your choice. You're looking for a really nice golden brown color. Add flour to your countertop to avoid the disc from sticking. Time to add your filling to just one side of the disc. Fold the disc towards you, press the ends firmly together, and now clamp all the way around.